and or colonic, colon hydrotherapy. Have to do it. Have to do it. Because if you're doing, I don't care what kind of diet you're doing, how healthy you live, etc., if you're not cleaning your colon, you cannot survive. The colon is drained through a system of veins that coalesce into one main vein called the portal vein, which goes to the liver. And so if your colon is full of feces, you're pulling out not only the water from the feces, you're pulling out the toxins, and those toxins are being brought straight to the liver. Okay, it's called autointoxication. And it's happening 24 hours a day. The only way you can eliminate autointoxication is to clean your colon and stop eating for a while and let your liver regenerate. And it'll regenerate. Remember, you have a new liver every 6 months. You can cut off more than half of your liver and donate it to your brother, and you'll grow back. Livers are great, okay, but they can't be continually bombarded with toxins. And that's what being constipated is. And constipated is, if you want to know what not constipated is, just walk behind a horse for a half hour. That's not constipated. The rest of us are constipated. Oh, I have one bowel movement a day. Oh, how much? This much? This much? Ah, I'm really... That means you only have this much inside. You don't call that constipation? Well, we have to really define what it means. I would say let's call constipation the retention of waste fecal matter in our colon. I've never met anyone who doesn't have that condition. You do abdominal x-rays on anybody, you don't see gas patterns, you see feces, fecal patterns. Everybody, you name it, unless they just had a barium enema. Otherwise, everybody is constipated. Why are we constipated? Because we don't eat the right food, we don't eat it in the right frequency or the right volume. So in other words, we eat too much, too frequently of the wrong stuff. Consequence? The machine doesn't work.